With Clover for Advisors, you can turn prospects into clients in minutes. Clover for Advisors combines the efficiencies and cost savings of robo-advice with personalised relationship management to give you more time to focus on your clients. Our smart technology automates the entire process of onboarding new clients, eliminating hours of work. Your clients will complete their own risk profile with just a few clicks, then set up their portfolio in minutes. After the straightforward KYC check, they simply review their details and the system automatically generates and executes a statement of advice. Opening their account just takes a simple digital signature. They'll be ready to invest immediately. Clover for Advisors grows your business by allowing you to service customers earlier in their investment journey. And our automated customer onboarding will save your business time and money. Focus on your clients. Leave the paperwork to us with Clover for Advisors.